Okay guys, I wanted to kind of do a little bit of a fashion show because I had never really done one, and although I didn't really start my journey on YouTube as far as losing weight, I did find a picture and I will share with you guys later. But anyway, I wanted to kind of give you a fashion show. I'm wearing all black right now, but I'm fixing to try on some t-shirts. So let's have some fun. Okay guys, so I wanted to come on real quick and talk to you guys. Okay, so yeah, I started looking through my drawers and everything like that, and I was looking at my t-shirts, and I noticed a lot of them were like large, extra large, and I'm like, what am I doing wearing that size for when I'm not even that size anymore? Anyway, and I talked to my husband and everything, and I said, hey, I need some more t-shirts and stuff, and he's like, okay. He's like, well, go to MJ Designs because they're cheaper and all that stuff. So I was like, okay, great. So we went to MJ Designs and I got these t-shirts for $2.99, guys, and they're 100% cotton, and they are pre-shrunk. So I'm just letting you know, this is not a promotional video or anything like that. This is just me wanting to have a little bit of a fashion show and make it fun too. I didn't necessarily start my my weight loss journey on YouTube itself. I started it way before I started YouTube, but I wanted to kind of celebrate it in a way. And I figured the best way to do it was have a little bit of a fashion show. So also, I wanted to tell you guys that the song I was dancing to and I was kind of lip syncing to was Footloose. It's like one of my favorite songs. Of course, I can't use that song on my video because of the fact of like copyright issues, and I don't have the epidemic sounds and stuff. I get my music free from the YouTube audio library. So anyway, if it looks a little bit different on the music I play looks a little bit different, then that's why and all that. I'm going to try to do my best by getting the right song for you guys to play while I'm showing you the fashion show. But anyway, I hope you like this kind of content. If you do, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, do all the things. Hey guys, see you guys next time. Bye. Okay guys, so that was my fashion show. I got these t-shirts from I think it was it MJ Designs? I think it was MJ Designs. Or was it, oh gosh, I'm pretty sure, yeah, it was MJ Designs. And we got these for like $2.99, guys. $2.99. Anyway, I needed some more t-shirts because the ones I've been wearing and everything, they were way oversized. I mean, I was wearing like extra large and all that stuff, and I'm now a medium. So anyway, I wanted to celebrate my weight loss journey with you guys, and I figured this is the best way to do it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that inopportune, what's the word I'm looking for? Just a brief fashion show. Anyway, these shirts, I got them from MJ Designs, and they were like $2.99. They're cotton, 100% cotton, and I haven't really started my, I guess what you call my weight loss journey on YouTube itself. I mean, I didn't like start my journey on on my weight loss as far as that on YouTube. But I thought, hey, I would like to share with you guys, since I've been talking about getting healthier, being healthier, eating healthier foods, that type of thing. And I just wanted to share this with you guys, and I wanted to kind of make it fun too. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe, like, share, comment, do all the things, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!